What's up, hungry people? Or should I say, hungry dogs? Today, we're making puppy popsicles, or Pupsicles, if you will, with some help from my own fur babies, Luna and Theo, who taste tested these frozen peanut butter Pupsicles themselves, so it's officially puppy approved. The ice cream base to the Pupsicles consists of 2 ingredients, plain Greek yogurt and natural xylitol-free peanut butter. Beat the yogurt and peanut butter together until it becomes light and fluffy. Use a clean ice cube tray as the mold for the Pupsicles. Spritz the ice cube tray lightly with some oil-based cooking spray. Then add a small training treat or bit of kibble to the ice cube tray to create the appearance of a chocolate top or filling. Fill the ice cube tray with the peanut butter yogurt mixture, about a tablespoon per opening, and then level it off with the back of your spoon. I then use some paper towels to smooth out the surface of the mixture. It is also helpful to try to clean the separators between each filling so that when you are ready to give your dog a Pupsicle, they will come out easily. Use a medium-length milk bone as the sticks to the Pupsicles, and then press each bone into the filling about halfway down. Freeze the Pupsicles until they are solid, about 6 to 8 hours, and then shower your fur babies with love and affection while you wait for the Pupsicles to freeze. When you are ready to serve your dog a Pupsicle, let the Pupsicle sit at room temperature for about 5 minutes and then crack the tray as you would if it were filled with ice. You should then be able to just pull the Pupsicles right out of the tray. From my pup parent experience, it's best to give your dog their Pupsicles outside or on a surface you won't mind having to clean. Just like giving a kid a popsicle, these Pupsicles can definitely make a sticky mess. These Pupsicles are the perfect way to keep your canine cool this summer. My dogs love spending time outside no matter the temperature, so between a fresh bowl of water and these frozen Pupsicles being served up every hour or 2, my dogs are ready for a summer of fun in the sun. Don't forget you can find this recipe for dogs and others like it, like ice cube cakes and homemade dog treats, plus recipes for people too, on thestarvingchefblog.com. If you think your dog would like these Pupsicles, throw a bone at that like button. Subscribe and hit that bell to be a part of my notification squad to get notified for the human recipes I post every week. I hope your dogs enjoyed, and I'll talk to you soon.